After gathering all the possible facts you need about the topic or the problem you want to solve, the question now is, but why? Bakit po ba tayo mag-research? Ngayon po, magkakaroon po tayo ng reflection. Tatanungin po natin ang ating sarili. Ano po ba yung mga itatanong po natin? Ito po yung mga ibinigay na halimbawa pong mga tanong. Number 1, what in your setting makes you think it is important that you do your study? Kagaya nga po ng sinabi ko, yung contribution po nito dito sa area po natin, o sa school. And then, why do you think your study is worth your time and effort? Nga po, Google po tayo ng oras, panahon dito po sa ating research. Hindi naman po isang linggo, magagawa lang po natin yung research po natin. Kailangan po talaga bigyan ng time and effort. What in the literature explains why your study is important? Ayan po. Pag mag-formulate na po tayo ng introduction, kailangan po meron na po tayong sapat na literature review at mga studies po. How does the literature indicate that your study is worth the bother? Yun po. Yun po yung all about sa introduction po natin. Ngayon po, dumako naman po tayo sa review of related literature and studies. Expected na po na nakapag-reflect na po tayo sa ating chosen topic. Ngayon po, ito na po yung time para suportahan po natin ng mga different facts based on literature and studies. In this part of the research, the researcher will now gather different literature and studies that will support his chosen topic. Magkakaroon na po tayo ng literature review. And first, the literature review should focus on key issues about the research. Example po nito, yung issue po natin ngayon na pwede po nating tingnan, whether or not students learn using the modular learning approach. Second, the researcher may consider the identified problem, findings, recommendations, and research questions of other researchers. Pag magre-research po tayo ng review of related literature, ito po yung pangalawa ko pong binanggit sa ano po ito, review of related studies. Pwede po natin tingnan yung kanilang recommendation, research questions, saka po yung kanilang findings. Saan po ba ito matatagpuan? This can be found in thesis and dissertations, journals, and other academic papers. Yung mga binanggit ko po na to na sources, matatagpuan po ito sa internet. Doon po sa may pinakita po kanina ni Ma'am, pinresent po kanina ni Ma'am Geraldine. Marami po doon. And findings, conclusion, and recommendation can be found in the abstract of the research paper. Ito pong findings, conclusion, and recommendation. Nandun po, makikita po agad natin to sa first page, dun sa abstract. Kasi po, yung abstract, ito po yung parang summary ng research paper. Next. Upon researching related literature and studies about your chosen topic, you will encounter different points of view or different researchers. Ngayon po, yung ating review of related literature, pag nagre-research na po tayo, makakabasa po tayo ng mga points of view ng mga researchers. Kung ito po ay related po sa study po natin, sa topic po natin, pwede po natin itong ilagay. Yung example po nito, halimbawa po, yung isang researcher stated niya sa kanyang study, modular learning is effective. And then another researcher argues that modular learning is not effective. Ngayon po, pwede po natin gawan to ng research na tayo po yung parang magbibigay daan. Kumbaga, dito po tayo sa, pwede natin pong, dun po tayo sa gitna na yun. Pwede po nating study yung effectiveness ng modular learning na hindi nagawa nung unang researcher. O nung pangalawa, pwede po yung ganun. And then, reading the full text of the research paper will help the researcher identify the strength and weaknesses of the conducted research. The researcher may compare different research paper. Yan po. Habang patuloy po tayo nagre-review ng mga literature and studies, nakikita po natin yung strength. Halimbawa po, meron po tayong napiling topic. Nagawa na ito ng isang researcher. Pwede po natin tingnan yung weakness ng kanyang study at pwede po, dun po tayo mag-focus sa area po na yon. And last, if the researcher identifies the strength and weakness of the research conducted by the other researcher, the teacher, researcher, or administrator, researcher can fill now the knowledge gaps of the previous researches. Yun nga po, yung nabanggit ko nga po. Ito po yung, tayo po yung magpupuno. Kaya po madalas sa recommendation, merong recommendation po yung mga research paper. Pwede po tayong tumingin doon. Ano po ba yung mga recommendation sa kanilang research at doon po tayo kumuha ng topic. Next po. Now, let us all be reminded that the literature review is not just a descriptive list of the materials or materials available or set of summaries, meaning it is not just an enumeration of materials used in the study or a set of summaries compiled in this section. A book by book and article by article summary. It is not a compilation of articles related to the study, rather articles that will support the study and will argue the previously conducted research. Dito po sa ating review of related literature, hindi lang po tayo maglalagay ng mga articles na oo nga, may kinalaman nga po sa study natin. Kaya lang po, tingnan din po natin yung study kung ito po ba ay magbibigay ng strength sa ating research or susuportahan po ba nito yung ating study na makatayo or makastand alone. And number 3, a survey of every single thing that's even been written about your topic. The results included in this portion are the statistical data that will support the study. The statistics must be relevant and should strengthen the study of the researcher. Ayan po, pwede rin po tayo maglagay ng mga related studies. Kasi po, for example po, ang topic po natin sa mga tungkol po sa academic performance, pwede po tayong maglagay ng review of related studies with numbers, statistics. Mas ano po yun, mas magbibigay ng strength, yun nga po, sa ating study. Susunod po na i-discuss ko po, ito po ay example po ng research na nabanggit po kanina. Ito po ay pinresent po sa Division Research Caravan. Ngayon po, dito po, titingnan po natin kung paano po ginawa yung kanyang introduction, saka po yung review of related literature.